Valosan is specifically designed to make all the practical steps around running an efficient PR campaign easy. It can be used to help you manage the process for press releases and all kinds of pitching, including op-eds and outreach to journalists as a source for their stories. The tool also helps you report and measure the success of your press relations. This is the Valosan Debug dashboard, where you can see the results of your ongoing campaign. Setting up the campaign starts with your media list, which is connected to a simple Google Sheet. The Google Sheet can be easily updated with information like new journalist contact by both manually accessing the sheet or update to the sheet using the Valosan when you contact them. The next step is adding the content to communicate with journalists. This includes pitch text, embargoed press releases, and media kit links. All your pitching is done directly from your familiar mail interface. The Valosan Chrome extension helps you easily create emails by choosing journalists on the campaign list and selecting the content you need in each phase of your pitching. It even shows the latest tweets and information about the journalist so you can tailor your emails to their specific needs, publication focus, and interests in a way that is relevant to the current news or trend they care about. Going back to the Valosan app, the pitching section is an enhanced, easy-to-read view built from your media list. You can see information on who needs to be contacted and progress with each journalist you have reached out to. Clicking on any journalist gives you the full detail of the correspondence between you, your team, and the journalist. This means that if someone on the team is not able to respond to an urgent journalist reply, another team member can easily follow up on the discussions with journalists that are interested in your pitch. For an overview of how the campaign is going, we created the Activity tab. This provides an overview of all the messages that have been sent out so far, if they have been opened, and if the journalists have responded. If you need to reach bigger audiences, you can send press releases on the distribution tabs. Press releases can be scheduled to send on your embargo date, reaching out internationally to hundreds of journalists at the same time. After the press release is out and stories are published, every media hit can be registered and shown in the reporting section, along with a summary of how well your campaign went based on the pitches made, responses, and the resulting media hits. From there, you can celebrate success and find better ways of improving your consistent path towards valuable earned media through press relations. All the steps needed for the campaign are available from the onboarding sidebar, so you will know what you should do next. Finally, we understand that with any new tool, sometimes you might need help getting up to speed. That's why we made sure there's always help available via the chat integrated into the Valosan dashboard. This chat have access to our automated help, but also connects with your team during business hours to answer your questions about using the tool and basic questions about PR pitching best practices. Thank you for considering Valosan for your press outreach work. Let us know if you have any questions.